Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on your Google Play Store in OPPO Find X3 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to launch our Google Play Store, and just to show you, let's try to find Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's an icon for the game, but when we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, and go to the settings. Then select family, go for parental controls, and here either disable parental controls with a switch, or go for apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we look for the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.